Have you ever noticed how your cat's eyes light up when they spot a bird outside the window? Today, we're diving into a heartwarming way to share a hobby with your feline friend: bird watching. It's more than just entertainment. It's an opportunity to bond, enrich your cat's world, and connect with nature together. Birdwatching with your cat may sound a little unconventional, but it's a magical experience. Cats are natural observers. Their fascination with birds taps into their instincts, and when we join in, it strengthens the trust and companionship between us. Sharing the simple pleasure of watching birds brings joy, mental stimulation, and a sense of peaceful togetherness for both cat and human alike. First, let's create the perfect bird-watching spot for your cat. Choose a safe, sunny window with a good view of trees, feeders, or gardens where birds naturally gather. If you can, install a cozy cat perch or window hammock to make it even more inviting. For outdoor spaces, consider building a secure catio, an enclosed patio where your cat can enjoy fresh air and birdwatching safely. Always ensure your cat is protected from traffic, predators, and other dangers. Whether indoors or outdoors, a safe environment allows your cat to focus on the fun without risk. Once you have the perfect spot, encourage your cat's instincts by using a soft voice, pointing out birds, or mimicking bird sounds. Over time, your cat will associate birdwatching time with play, exploration, and positive attention from you. Bring a cup of tea, sit by your cat, and watch the birds together. It's a simple, relaxing ritual that builds connection. Birdwatching isn't just about spotting colorful feathers. It's about sharing experiences, building trust, and making memories with your cat. Together, you'll find joy in the small moments. The flutter of wings, the rustle of leaves, and the simple wonder of nature. And through it all, you'll create a deeper bond built on shared curiosity, patience, and love. So grab your cat, find your favorite window, and start your birdwatching adventure today, responsibly, lovingly, and joyfully.